Mama! Cheese! We're in the garbage truck, Auntie.
Where's Liam? I don't see Liam. There he is. Can't see them. It's too dark.
We're putting the trash in. We're in the wheel. What do we do?
Oh no! Oh no! The last days of Liam's crib is now the Toy Story trash truck.
No! I want to call again.
You want the car to come get you?
No, that car off me.
You want to put the tent back up? The cover on the trash truck?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hold on, here comes the cover on the trash truck. Yeah. Save you?
Yes.
Okay.
No, don't pull it, Jacob.
Can you
don't
walk
pull it.
around instead of in front?
Uh-oh.